So here we have the example for like terms. 3x, 4x, 7x, 12x. It is moving on. Okay, we have to write the x terms is a like terms, or otherwise we have two variables in a single term, that is xy. Okay, xy is a single term. Okay, so like terms of xy is 12xy minus 4yx. So if the variable is changing their place, here we have xy and here yx. So there is no difference between these two. Okay, so xy and yx. Is it right? So these are like terms. Okay, so here xy, 12xy and minus 4yx. These are like terms. Okay, so as we can see another example. See, you can say it is a like term or unlike term. See here, xy and y square x and x square y. So can we say these are all like terms? Why? Because so here we have x, here also x, and here also x square. So here y square and y. So here see, here xy, here x square y. Okay, so here one x is more than this. Okay, so the one term is more than the before term. Okay, so these two are not like terms. And see, we can compare here. Here also x and here also x. But y is here. In this term, we have only one y, here y square. So it is not a like terms. Okay, so these three are not like terms. Okay, these three are unlike terms. Okay, so for example, like terms, I told no 3x, 4x, 7x, or we have x square y and yx square. Okay, like this we have means these are like terms. Okay, if the coefficient is differs also, the powers and the exponents also same. Okay, so here x square, here also x square, here y and here also y. If we have x square y and y square x. Okay, see, y are differs and x also differs. These two are not like terms. These two are unlike terms. Okay, so let us see some examples. Okay, so before going to example, okay, so we have to know the that is based on the terms. We have monomial term, binomial and trinomial. Okay, so based on these terms, we have to write monomial, binomial and trinomial. What are the types of terms? Monomial, binomial and trinomial. And we have polynomial terms also. Okay, so trinomial, as we have more than 3 terms, we have polynomial. Okay, so let us see here monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomial also. Polynomial means more than 3 terms and polynomial. See here monomial. So mono means 1. Okay, mono means 1. Only one term in an algebraic expression we are saying it as monomial expression. Okay, so binomial. Bi means 2. Okay, binomial. Binomial means we have 2 terms in an expression, that we can say it is a binomial expression. And trinomial. Trinomial means 3. Okay, in an expression we have 3 terms, means that we can say it is a trinomial expression. Okay, and polynomial. So more than 3. More than 3. Okay, 3 and more than 3. Okay, so 3 and more than 3. So 3 terms also we have to say trinomial or polynomial. Okay, so more than 3. Okay, we can say it is a polynomial term. Okay, so here see, in your textbook it is given, that is definition of polynomial, that is 1 or more term. Okay, or we can say it is a 3 or more than 3. Okay, 2 terms means we can say it is a binomial. 3 terms is a trinomial, or you can say it is a polynomial. Okay, so here monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomial. Are you clear in this, children? See, in an algebraic expression, okay, in an algebraic expression, only one term. So 3x is a term. This is also a algebraic expression. Algebraic expression having only one term. Algebraic expression having only one term. That we can say it is a monomial expression. Monomial expression. Okay, and you know which operation divides the terms? Addition and subtraction divides the terms. So here we have 3x plus 4y. 3x plus 4y. 3x plus 4y. Okay, so this we can say it is a binomial expression. So here we have two terms. 3x is a one term and 4y is another term. So 3x plus 4y is a binomial term. 3x plus 4y is a binomial term. 3x plus 4y is a binomial term. Okay, and we have to write a trinomial. In this, not only the variable term, so in this algebraic expression we have constant term also. Okay, so 3x plus 4y plus 5. Okay, so how many terms in this expression? 3 terms. Okay, why? Because addition operation separates the terms. Okay, it can be variable term or it can be constant term also. Okay, so understood. Here we have 3 terms, 1, 2 and 3. So in this expression you can say it is a trinomial expression, or we can say it is a polynomial expression. Okay, now we have 3x plus 1. So this is a binomial expression. Why? Because we have 2 terms in this expression. So this expression we can say it is a binomial algebraic expression or polynomial algebraic expression. Okay, so now in this class we will learn about what is an expression and terms and how the terms are divided in an expression and what are the coefficients, factors. Okay, and then like terms and unlike terms. Okay, like terms and unlike terms. Like terms means based on the variable. Based on the variable, and without variable we have a constant term means that are like terms. Okay, if we have 5, 100, so minus 12 and minus 14. Ma'am, these are all like terms or unlike terms? You have a doubt, no? So in the constant terms, it is there in the expression. Okay, that we can say it is a like terms. Okay, so 5, 10, 100, minus 12, minus 14 are like terms. There is no variable. Okay, if there is a 100x, so this is not a like term to these all. Okay, here write the like terms in this given expressions means you have to write 5, minus 12, 14. Minus 14 are like terms. Okay, and so we have 4x. Okay, write like terms means you have to separate the like terms in this. Okay, so what are the two types of like terms here? 100x and 4x are like terms, and 5, minus 12, minus 14 are like terms. We have to separate like that. Okay, so and then these are monomial, binomial and trinomial, monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomial also. Okay, so based on that we have example problem. Okay, example 3. Okay, which is in your textbook page number 81. Okay, so page number 81, example 3. State with reasons which of the following pairs of terms are of like terms and which are of unlike terms. We have to separate like that. Okay, so what is like terms and what is unlike terms? So we have to write in based on the factors also. Okay, see. So in your textbook, see the textbook, children. Okay. So first way. Okay, 7x, comma 12y. Okay, it is given the first pair of equations. So 7x, comma 12y. So these two are like terms or unlike terms. Okay, so we have to write. We have to write the reasons also why these two are like terms. If we are saying these two are like terms means why these two are like terms. If we are saying these two are unlike terms means why these two are unlike terms. Okay, we have to write the reasons also. Okay, see here we have 7x. So the variable is x here, and here see the variable is y here. Okay, the factors of 7x, 7 comma x, and the factors of 12y is 12 comma y. Okay, so here the variable is different. So here we can say these two are unlike term. Okay, the variables in these two terms are different. Okay, the variables in these two terms are different. Okay, so if two terms are different only means we have to say the reason. Okay, so but the two terms are like means so there is no differentiate to say the like and unlike terms. Okay, see here, let us see pq square. I don't know pq square comma minus 4 pq square. See here pq square and pq square. See the variable first which is given in the term. Okay, which is the term that is given to us. So we'll see the variable first. Okay, pq square, here also pq square. Okay, so both are same, having same variable. So we can say these two are like terms. Like terms. Okay, so why? Because the variables are same. So here variables are different. The variables are different. So the variables are different means we can say the two are unlike terms. Okay, unlike terms. Okay, and let us see one more example here. It is given, that is minus 4ab and 7ba. Minus 4ab and 7ba. Minus 4ab and 7ba. Okay, so here we have to say, that is, see the variable ab and ba. ab and ba. Okay, so here ab, here ba. So this we can write ab also. No? Ba equals to ab. Okay, so in multiplication we have to replace the variables that doesn't change the values. Okay, in multiplication. Okay, for example 4 3s are. Okay, or we can write 3 4s are. Okay, so this doesn't change the value. See children, say what is the value of 4 into 3? 4 3s are 12. Okay, and 3 4s are also we have 12. So this doesn't change the value. So we have to write minus 4ab 7ba. Okay, so minus 4ab and 7ba. So see the variable here ab and ba doesn't change the value. So ab can be written it as ba. ab can be written it as ba. Okay, so we have to write this as like terms. Okay, ab we can write it as ba. So we have to write these two are like terms. Understood children? Okay, so based on this you have exercise problems. Exercise 12.1. So in that you have to find out the expressions. Okay, you have to write so get the algebraic expressions in the following cases using variables, constants and arithmetic operations. Okay, you know how to write the equations from the statement form. Is it right children? Okay, how to write the equations from the statement form. Okay, so let us see one example. Okay, in that you have 8 sums. Okay, in 8 sums I took 1. Okay, so you have to try it yourself in your rough notebooks. Okay, so the number z, okay, the number z multiplied by itself. number z multiplied by itself means itself. Okay, z is multiplied by z only. Okay, you have to write z into z. So this we have to write z into z, z square. Okay, so this is the algebraic expression. Okay, so get an algebraic expression by using the variables, constants if necessary. Okay, variables, constants and the operations which is given there. Okay, so here what is the operation given? Multiplication. The number z is multiplied by itself. So z is multiplied by z, we get z square. Okay, and then let us see one more. Okay, the number 5. Okay, number 5, sixth one it is given in your textbook, page number 82. Okay, number 5 added to 3 times the product. The number 5 is added to, the number 5 is added to 3 times the product of the number m and n. Okay, so m n is a product. Okay, m n is a product. Product means here understood, that is multiplication. So m n is a product which is 5 is added to the product of m n. So this m n is multiplied by 3 times m n. Okay, so it is given the product of 3 times the product of numbers m n. So 3 m n, 3 times the product of m n, 3 times the product of m n. So 3 m n. Okay, 3 times m n means m n plus m n plus m n. 3 times m n. We can write 3 m n. Okay, plus 5. The number 5 is added to 3 times the product m n. Product m n means m into n. We can write it as m n. Okay, so understand the word, understand the statements and write the algebraic expression using variables, constants and operations. Okay, children, understood? Okay, and then you have second question. Identify the terms and their factors in the following expressions. So terms and factors you have to write using the tree. Okay, tree form. Okay, the tree diagram to write the expression, given expression, and then the second step you have to write the terms, and the third step you have to write the factors of the terms. Okay, and identify terms and factors in the expressions given below. That is also same. Okay, and third one, identify the numerical coefficients of terms. You know that is how to write the numerical coefficient. I taught the children. Okay, then identify the terms which contain x and give the coefficient of x. Okay, and classify into monomials, binomials and trinomials. You know that, children. Monomial, only one term in an expression, and binomial means you have 2 terms in an expression, and trinomial you have 3 terms in an expression. Okay, and then state whether a given pair of terms is a like or unlike terms. Okay, so like or unlike terms based on the variables. If there is no variables, only the constants means all the constants are like terms. Okay, and then identify the like terms in the following. So you have to identify only the like terms. You have to write the only the like terms in from the given expressions. Okay, children. So try it yourself in your Hassan books. I'll send the notes to your WhatsApp group. Okay, so copy down neatly, cross check your answers, and then copy down neatly in your class works. Okay, children. Thank you.